The camera, if you don't mind, please turn it on. I would love to see you. Thank you. So today, in today's meeting, I would love to show you everything about Loan Factory, about me, about our technology, about our platform, why we are the best platform for loan officers like you. So I really want you to compare Loan Factory versus your company. Compare everything and figure out if we are better in helping you. Because you need help, right? You want to have better rate, better service, better technology to help your clients, right? And I can show that to you. I will. It's going to be a long section because there's so much that I want to share with you. I will try to keep it shorter. It is important that, I mean, I love you to ask me a lot of questions along the way. Please do raise your hand and ask me questions. But if it's not relevant to what I'm talking about, then please wait to the end. Okay? I will get going now. I'll get going now. And I will share with you my screen. Any question before I start? Okay, cool. By the way, Loan Factory, we had the best month in October. We closed almost 1,000 loans, the whole company. And I myself, I closed 136 loans. I myself. And the previous month, I closed only 60 loans. So just to let you know that the market is getting better and rate my job more. And that means it's a good time right now. Actually, it's a good time right now because a lot of homeowners, they want to refinance. So it is really important that you have some business and your business pick it up. If not, I mean, something wrong. You need to take bigger action. And right now, the market is really good. Market is really good right now. Okay, here. So let me share with you my screen. Here is our website. And you can see the website. We have this program, we call that $1,000 best price guarantee. $1,000 best price guarantee. So we guarantee that we have the best pricing. If not, we pay our client $1,000. And this is the term and conditions, pretty simple. The consumer, the borrower can upload a loan estimate from any other loan officer out there. We will tell them if we can beat it or not. If not, they can close the loan, give us the CD, and we will pay them $1,000. And we only honor conventional loan, FHA, and VA loan. So this is really, really, really important because this program proved that we actually have the best rate. It helped you and me and the company to get more clients. We can get the client to shop around and they get better rate. They save money. You know what? You know that when consumers around, they get better rate. And also when you shop around, you end up with a better company, right? There's no reason you stay at one company if that company doesn't offer you anything good. If that company doesn't help you become more successful, why stay at that company, right? You need to leverage and rely on your company to help you. That is the whole point, right? And they charge you money. They charge you the split. So you better find a company that help you. Like here, for example, most loan officers out there, we want to have more clients, right? But then most of us don't know how. Most of us don't even know how to go out there and advertise or post something on social media that make you a special loan officer or different than other loan officer. You know, most of loan officers keep thinking, what do I have to post? What kind of content? How can I impress the clients? How can I let people know that I'm a special loan officer? They should work with me, right? But at Loan Factory, you can promote this program. You can promote this program, $1,000 best price guarantee. We have the material for you to post to promote. This will help you get more clients. And the good thing is, if in case that we lose money, the company will pay, Loan Factory will pay. You don't have to pay. That's how good we are. We help you go out there and get the business. That's how good we are. And that you will see a lot more things that we are really good. And another thing that we are good is we have the pricing engine on our website for the consumer. They can go here and check the rate for themselves in real time and customize for them. So the consumer can go here and run the pricing. And let me show you the pricing. And our pricing engine is better because we find out if they qualify for this affordable home ownership program. It's based on their income. And this is really cool. A lot of loan officers don't even know about this program. That, let's say in California, if their income is 230,000, in Northern California where I live, if their income is 230,000, they get better pricing. And you believe it? And then you can see the rate. Here's the rate. And you can see the rate is 5.75 with a little bit of points. And we shop around 33 lender. And you can see that we, Loan Factory, we shop around on every single loans. This helps us have better pricing that no one else can beat. The consumer goes to our website, they see this, they trust us right away. They know that we shop around for them. And they know that they can get this rate. And imagine you don't use the pricing engine. You don't use our pricing engine. You might end up with 5.75, but with some lender down here with $3,000 point or even $4,000 points. You know, so that is why technology is important. It helps you find better program, better pricing for your client. It helps you win. So you can see how good is our pricing engine. And let me show you why I say it's really good. So for example, if the borrower credit score is only 650, let's find out the rate. Let's find out a rate that they don't qualify for this program. Let's say you don't check their income and their credit score is really bad. This is you. You will quote them somewhere 6.625%. Okay, this is who you are right now. You will offer the client 6.625%. However, at Loan Factory, we ask for the income and we find them a better rate, and the rate gonna be really low, 5.875 or even 5.75. And this is the pricing for the consumer. This already includes 1% compensation. It already includes 1% compensation. And you can see right here, there's a 2.25% adjustment, but we waive it because they have low credit score. There's an LLPA adjustment of 2.25, and it's been waived because the borrower income is 230,000. So this pricing engine is really powerful, and we have many other features like you can compare a buy down option. You select two rate, you can compare it, and you can see the break even points. Or you can compare a 30-year with a 20-year fix. You can compare the two and see how much the borrower can save with 15-year fix, $273,000. Or you can even compare a fixed an FHA loan versus conventional loan. So you can select conventional FHA loan and run the pricing and then coded it, and then you can compare it and you can code it conventional FHA. You can compare almost anything, and then you can share that to your client right away. You can click here to share, or you can do a screenshot side by side and take picture and compare. This is how you win the trust of your client. And trust is everything in our business. If you can quickly, instantly send them a rate code with all the number, with the link, they see all the number, they trust you, they can click on the link, they take them to your website with all the number, they trust you even more. And that helps you win the client. And many times, the client shop around, they're not sure which loan officer they will go with. If you have this technology, you share with them, they will trust you, they will love you. And we build a website like this for you. A loan officer, when they join Loan Factory, you get a website with everything. We have a website for you, and it's free. And you can see we show our loan officer here so that they can help the client. And you can see, let's say for example, Yilin, she closed a lot of loans last time. She have her own domain name, her website. And if we click on it, it take us to her website, her image here. She can run the pricing. She have all of this to help her. We show her Google review and all that. Any questions so far before I move on to the next topic?
Yes. Let's see.
Yeah, can you speak a little bit louder? Can you raise your hand? I'm sorry. Hey, Amy.
Hi. Okay, so I'm curious. So when they go in and price a loan right there, is it going to show them all those other people, or will it just be shown as me?
Here, this is one example. This is
Okay.
Yilin website. This is loan officer website.
Okay.
You have a website like this. It shows you,
Oh,
your
okay.
name, your face, no one else.
Okay, thank you. That was my question was like, if they go in and do pricing, then they do it through my website and I'm the
Yes.
only one. Okay, thank you
Yes.
so much.
Yes. You have your own website with the pricing engine, with everything.
Okay,
We even
perfect.
have a mobile app for you on your
Okay.
website. Your client
Oh,
can
great.
see it and share it.
Okay.
And you can share that to your realtor as well. And then the
Okay.
realtor and you can work together on the lead, on the transaction.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you, Amy. Hey, Jay, Peyton.
Yeah, sorry, it's Jacqueline, but my question is, when would I have the ability to lock in the rate? Once the borrower sees it, they want to commit. Is it after I receive the paperwork, or when do I have the time to lock it in?
Yeah, I can. I will answer it, but next time wait to the end because I'm gonna show you a lot more.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But when when you join Loan Factory, you can have the account with the lender directly. And when the loan is ready to be submitted, you send a signal to the processor. They will register the loan. And right now we are a little bit back up. So it takes about within 6 hours, they will submit the loan and then you can lock the rate. You have your own account to log into the lender website, and you can lock the rate at the lender website.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me share with you. So this is our website. We have Ray Alert, but we have a lot more that we can share with you. So for example, the consumer can see if they qualify or not. The consumer can apply. They can see the fee. They can apply. They can create Ray Alert. These are the things that they can do. We have all of these, and we could remember one thing. We are a fintech company. We are the only company in America, mortgage company, that build our own tech platform. As a broker, we build our tech platform. It's all in one. It's not like other company out there. You have different kind of software and they don't talk to each other. We have the POS, which is the website. We have the LOS. We have the pricing engine. We have the CIM. We have the marketing. Everything is all together, one website. And you and your realtor can work together. Your processor can work together on your transaction. It's everything on the cloud. And it's free. It's free. That means you don't need to purchase or pay for the software. Most other companies, you either have to pay for it every month or they have a bad split. They take a lot of your commission. At Loan Factory, everything is free. You know, the technology is free. You don't pay us any monthly fee, nothing. We also provide training. We also provide marketing support. Our marketing support basically will help you create video, edit video, or create customized image, or you can run ads by the marketing team. The training, we have an academy where you can go there, and here is the academy. There's a lot of classes that we offer, and it's free. We have training. So, for example, the training right here, we have upcoming training and the one that completed. So we have a lot of training every day, and you can attend it. That's the one that completed. You can watch it too. There's a video that you can watch it. So we have underwriting support. We have a team of 5 underwriters is there to support you. So if you need help with marketing, if you need help to calculate if the borrower can qualify or not, if you need them to fight against the lender or restructure the loan, you have a complicated loan, you need to find the lender, you need to find a program that can help you. For non-QA loan especially, or commercial loan, most of us don't know what to do, and they can advise you. They can find a lender or the program for you, and it's free. We have the best and the live loan officer support. So let me share with you. Our marketplace, and we love it. Here's our marketplace. on the marketplace, you can see that a lot of lenders are live. That means there are an actual loan AE, account executive, who are live waiting to talk to you, to help you. So this is so valuable, where they are eager to help you and train you. Any of you don't know anything, go here and ask them questions, and they love to help you. And you can click on it to see many things. You can see all of the AE. You can see the AE, their information. You can see the lender information, their license, their number. You can see so much about the lender. And let me go back. You can see if we have two channels here, wholesale and correspondent. On correspondent, we are licensed in 40 states. And here are all the states. You can see the lender name that we work with, all of them. And we have 240 lender total. You can filter, if you want to search for one, you can pick one here. They're all in here. And this is really cool. You can see what product that you can work on. For example, private loan. With private loan, we have 79 lenders. If you want to do a commercial loan, you see that we have 51 lenders that can do commercial loans. And let's say if you have a commercial scenario, you're not sure which lender can take it. It's very difficult to work on a commercial lender. Very difficult to find a lender for your commercial loan. So normally, of course, you can pick up the phone to call one by one to talk to them. But it's better, you can click here, email these lenders a scenario. You can type in the scenario and pick like 20 lender and send it out. These 20 lenders will receive your question and they will get back to you. And you can see we do all kind of product, from equity line, commercial, private loan, to DPA, reverse mortgage, mobile home loan, all kind of loan. You don't have to say no to your clients anymore. You don't have to say no to your realtor anymore. And that is the beauty of it, right? You never want to say no to your clients or realtor, because if you say no, they think that you are weak. They think that you're not an expert. They think that you don't have a lot of lenders or product, and therefore they don't want to come to you next time. And I know that most of us had already said no to a client in the past. And that is not good, right? You can see on our tab, Lender Finder here, you can see loan officer. Our loan officer are asking questions and they answer, yes, we can assist. And then this is another question that get posted like half an hour ago. See this posted a few minutes ago, and then the lender answered the question. So this is really useful feature. We have many other features like Loan Factory here. You can see our support specialists are live to help you. Our underwriter are live to help you. And our corporate coach are live to help you. If you have any question, go here and ask them. That is the level of support that we have for our loan officers. It's free, completely free. And then you can see that we have a lot of different departments that you can reach out to. You can create a ticket for them. You can see the time and who they are, and then you can reach out to them. We have a lot of different departments. We also have team. So we have a lot of team where you can join. You can click here, I want to join this team. Or you can create your own team. And the team leader will receive a split of the team member, small split. It's between the team leader and team member. We also have mentorship. So a lot of mentor have a lot of mentee. And we have the split right here. So I recommend you, if you are a new loan officer, you should join a mentorship or a team so that they can help you. Brian? Hello, Brian.
Hello?
Yes. I think Brian Turner, you raise your hand. I cannot hear you. I think you're on mute or your microphone. We cannot hear you. Yeah, while waiting for you, let me see. AW, you have any question?
Yes, Ron. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I was looking at the tech model, and even though we have our own domain, it's still pointing to Loan Factory branding. So how does the branding work for the agents?
You should build your own branding, right? So for example, we build a website for our loan officer, like Yilin right here. So she have a,
here is showing Loan Factory instead of Yulin.
yeah, by law, we have to show the company name. All loan officer by law, when you approach consumer, you must show which company you are working for. You cannot hide it. And that is the reason we have to show it. A loan officer cannot do business by yourself. You must be under a sponsorship of a company.
No, I
And-
understand that, but in this website, when a consumer lands here, the consumer
Yes.
sees that they're on Loan Factory website, not on my website.
No, it's your website, it's your domain name, it's your information show up here. Everything else is yours. The only thing we need to show is the company name. And that is by law, we have to show the company name. If you see any loan officer that not saying which company they work for, they're breaking the law.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Yeah, you have to show the company name. All loan officer has to do that. And that is the law, right? Promote yourself all you want on social media, on your website, on your business card, but all of those must have a company name on there. Thank you. Brian, can you try again, Brian? We still cannot hear you. Sorry. Hi, Brian. Hi, Kevin.
Just to follow up the question regarding branding, and so Loan Factory, the logo, it has to be very visible and clearly shown, like top left, and it. Can we display it anywhere in the website?
I still don't understand your question. How can what?
So, yeah, regarding personalized branding, in this case, an example is in Luju. The Loan Factory logo being displayed prominently at the upper left.
Yes.
Is that where being required, or can it be displayed anywhere else?
It has to be displayed, and all professional website, it's always like this. All company, it always show on the top left. If
Okay.
you go to Rocket, if you go to any other company, it always show up like this. And the sign like this is normal or small. Some other company have bigger logo, bigger name. So this is standard. I don't see any issue with that. And actually, it does help loan officers. So for example, some loan officer, if you are a no-name loan officer, nobody want to work with you. Nobody know you. But imagine you work with a good reputation, good name company. People love you because they recognize you. Like Rocket, right? If you work for Rocket, it's easier so everyone recognize you. So I do believe that the two branding can help each other. I see some, like about 2% of the loan officer out there promote their own name without showing the company name. First, they break the law. Secondly, if I were the consumer, I would never work with someone with no name. You know, a lawyer doesn't work with a company. You say you are a lawyer without a company. About a company or the hospital, nobody want to work with you. So same thing with a loan, a real estate agent. You are an real estate agent and you don't show the company name, who want to work with you? So that is why the company name not always there. And you go to open house, right? Out of the open house side, it has to has the company name. So I don't see any issue with that. It's the standard. It's the standard.
Well, like for example, like some of the website, they do develop their own company, and in this case, and I saw I watched one of your training video is also saying like powered by Loan Factory, so, right? So
Yeah.
so at the bottom of the web page, I can put in powered by Loan Factory, but I put my company name on upper left corner. Would that be okay? If I would come up like a name up for a company, like, you know,
Yeah, you cannot come up with a name of a company. Basically, as a loan officer, you have to work with Loan Factory. You have to work with a company.
Got it.
A loan officer cannot be on your own, period.
Got
You
it.
have to work with a company and sponsored by a company. You have to show the company name no matter what. So if you like, you have another name, let's say Kevin, no, or Kevin Mortgage. Yeah, you can use that Kevin Mortgage powered by Loan Factory.
Yeah.
You still have to show Loan Factory no matter what.
Yeah. I mean, I would do that. I would. Yeah. Kevin Mortgage.
Thank you.
Powered by Loan
Thank
Factory.
you. Yeah. Hi, Ivan. Hello, Ivan.
Yes, I have one question.
Yes.
Right now, even the company designed a website for the loan officer, right? In case right now, if we have an own website, personal website, can I use the company logo put it on my personal website? That means we can show the customer we have the personal website or company website as well. Right?
If you have your own personal website right now,
yes,
you can use it, but you have to have the company logo on there.
yes. So that's why I say we can use the company logo to put our face on the personal website, right, as well.
Yeah, if you solicit, if you advertise yourself as a loan officer, you have to show the company name. You have to show the company NMLS number and your NMLS number. You have to. You cannot avoid that. It's compliant. Yeah, thank you. So let me continue. So we don't charge any monthly fee, 0. And if you join the company and you don't close any loan for 3 months or 6 months, it costs you nothing. Unlike many company out there, they require you to pay a tax fee. They require you to pay. You have to subscribe to a lot of software and you have to pay. Okay, and at Loan Factory, if you are 1099, you get paid 100% minus a flat admin fee of $5.95. And you also have to pay an in-house processing fee of $500, which is very low. Most companies out there charge you a lot more, $500 for processing. So the total is $10.95. So let's say you have a big loan and you make $20,000, you pay Loan Factory only $10.95. You keep most of it. And in case that the loan amount is too small and the commission somehow come out to be $1,500, Loan Factory can help you. We will help you. We will split the commission. We don't take most of it. We take 50% of it. That's how we help our loan officers. Okay. And commission can be 1099 or W2. If you are W2, we pay you only 90% of the commission, not 100%. And in this state, you have to be W2. If you're in California and the FBI license, Georgia, Indiana, Massachusetts, Maryland, I think it's Mississippi, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. Then you have to be W2. Let's see. We have lead. In 42 states, we got consumer go to our website and fill out the application and upload documents. So in 42 states, we share the lead. We give the lead to our loan officers. And these leads are very high quality. The chance that they close is more than 50% because they go to our website and fill out application. And because of that, also because you do very little, we give the lead to you, you're going to be the loan officers. We pay you only 25 bps. You're going to be the loan officer. However, you have that relationship with the client. They are your client. And in the future, if they come back for refinance or for purchase, they are your client. And you earn 100%.
Oh, nice.
You need to build that relationship with them so that they like you and come back with you. We also have Facebook lead and Trigger lead. These leads are free to you, but if you close, we will split 50-50. We also have cash or RSU if you refer loan officer to Loan Factory. So here is the how we pay the bonus. If you refer someone close 24 loans in the last 12 months, then you can choose 2,000 cash or 2,000 RSU. And the referral loan officer will get 4,000. Okay. Any questions so far before I show you the system? Hello, AW.
Yes, Tuan. So when you say W2, are there any benefits that a W2 gets besides like any participation in stock, 401k, health?
We don't have much benefit. We're gonna have 401k, yes, and worker comp, and that's it. Most loan officers do not want to be W2. Everyone wants to be 1099.
Right.
Another benefit of being W2 is if you have a loan from another state, you can refer to the company. You don't have to do anything. You refer to the company and you make 50% of the commission. You don't need to do anything. Yeah. Hello, Brian. Can you say something?
All right, I'm doing double time here on my phone and on the computer. So I couldn't
Yes.
get my money. So 2 questions real quick. Back on the pricing engine. With most lenders, there's an underwriting fee. And I'm pretty used to Loan Sifter, where you can add the underwriting fee in and be able to price it that way. Does your pricing engine allow that?
Yeah, our pricing engine always have the underwriting fee, always, because all lenders charge that.
Yeah, but can you build it into the price? Like in Loan Sifter, you can click fees
We
in.
always, because the underwriting fee is always there, we always include that. And yes, you can build that into the pricing engine. You can build to the price. So for example, Here, let me share with you the pricing engine here. You can include that into, where is it? You can include lender fee into the pricing. I'm not sure where it is.
I couldn't find it yesterday when I was playing around with it, so that's why I'm asking.
It should be there. I'm not sure why.
And it only makes the rate go up a little bit, like 5.65.
Yes.
It might be, and then the customer has less fees at time of closing. So when I was messing around with it yesterday, I couldn't find it.
Yeah, it
And
should be there. Let me ask them.
okay,
I will fix it. Yeah.
all right. And then my second question is on the website. When you create the website for us, is there any way for us to customize that where we can add extra links or extra pages to the website?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can customize. There's a lot of things that you can customize. You can choose how much is the compensation that you want on
Right.
the pricing engine. You can choose to hide the lender name. You can add or remove some lender. You can decide to capture, borrow information or lead. You can capture lead. You can do so many different things.
Well, the reason why I was asking, because on your main page, you have like a corporate employee benefits kind of program. But when you get into the personal websites, that link doesn't pop up. So I didn't know if that's something that we can add into our personal ones instead of just being on the business.
You cannot, because we the company are afraid that you modify that program. It's very heavily regulated. So
Gotcha.
we don't want you to have your own program. And
We can have
it's complicated. Yeah.
But we can have our own employee discount program.
No,
Okay.
we cannot, because it's very difficult to honor. But if you can somehow get a company to work with Loan Factory, I can have the employee sent to you. We can do
Okay.
that.
All right. I'll work with you on that. Thank you.
Yeah, and that is a good idea though. I think I like that idea.
Well, when I was with SunWest, we had that program, and SunWest allowed, and you just got an agreement with your employer, and you were able to go in and be the preferred employee benefits for that company.
Yeah, we can do that. We can open it up. I think it's a
Alright,
good idea. So we can
Alright,
include that to your website.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hi, okay, let me continue. So this is the pricing engine. I forgot to show you one thing, that the borrower, the consumer, and you can do a no income doc pricing engine. We have this. No other company has it. So you can do a purchase, bank statement, and you can see the pricing. You can see the pricing. We have 12 lenders. And this is very powerful because QM lender, non-QM lender, they play game a lot. You can see the difference is huge. So for example, 6.5% here. Some lender have no point, but some lender have 10,000 points. And most loan officers don't shop around for non-QM loan. And I feel bad for you and your clients. So that's why we build the pricing engine so that we can use it and save money for our client, save money for you. But you end up paying for that one way or another, right? We all know that. Instead of losing $10,000, you can put that in your pocket. You can pick this lender instead of this lender. Okay? So that's why be smarter. Try to save the money, help your client, help yourself. Why not? Why not? The technology is right there. It takes you only less than a minute to see everything. And that's why it's helped me and the company doing better and better. We keep growing crazy. You can see here on the dashboard, our performance in the last 3 months, and we closed almost 1,000 loans from the previous month. And you can see my production. I closed 138 loans last month. A lot. So I want to share with you a few more features. Here is create a new loan on the left menu here. I'm the admin, that's why I see a lot of menu, but you only see some. You can use AI to fill out application. You can manually fill out application. You can invite borrower to fill out application. You can issue a pre-qualification letter. So for AI to fill out application, all you need to do is drag in this document, and AI will read it and fill it out for you. Your consumer can do this too. Okay. Let's forget that. Let's go to the main feature. The rate alert is really powerful. Rate alert is really powerful. This is the best feature that all loan officers have to use. So you can see that I have 19,000 standalone alert, and I have almost 7,000 active. These are standalone alert. And the alert that linked to a transaction, I have almost 2,000 active. So this active alert is being run every day to monitor the rate. And the moment the rate hit the target, the system will send notification to the borrower and to me. And here I see this. I have 18 clients who can refinance. They want to refinance, 18 of them. Okay. 18. So what happened is the consumer or loan officer can do the pricing and create rate alert. So if the client call me and say, I want to do a refi, they email me, they call me, and I check the rate for them. And let's say, not sure why it took long. So here's the rate, right? I can quote them 5.875 with 1,300 costs. If the borrower say, oh, but I want 5.75 no cost. I say, oh, okay. If you want that, I can create a rate alert for you. And when it hit 5.75 with no cost, I can email you or text you. And can you give me your name and email and phone number? That's it. I can create a rate alert. And the alert will be running for me. Who knows that a week from now or a month from now or 6 months from now, rate will drop to what they want, right? Yeah. And when it happened, the borrower, the client got notified and we got notified. And boom, we're the first one that tell them to refinance.
Great.
This is really cool, really cool. And not only that, during the loan process, let me share with you another one. So when the borrower applies for the loan, here is the process. Let me share with you about the rate alert and the loan process. Here is the loan process. At Loan Factory, we create what we call do-it-yourself mortgage. Do-it-yourself mortgage. Okay, do-it-yourself mortgage. What happened is the borrower, the consumer go to our website, they check the rate, they fill out application, they upload document, everything automatic. They see the list of documents that they need to submit, they submitted it. The system know that the moment they fill out the application, our system is smart. We know that, we send you a text message. Then you can call the borrower and help them and say, hey, Kevin, I saw that you're filling out the application right now. Do you need help? You have any questions for me? So that is what you can do to impress the client, help them right away when they fill out application. And when they finish fill out the application and upload all the documents, you can go in and review it. You can see 100% complete right here. This is not the real server. This is just a sandbox server. And it's they need attention. That means you need to jump in and help them. So as a loan officer, you jump in, you review the 1003, review the document, pull credit, make sure everything look good. You can run AUS if you want to. And then when you're ready, you can create a rate alert for the borrower. You can create a rate alert for the borrower. And after you create rate alert, you will convert the loan, the prospect to a loan. Please note it on top menu here, we have leads, prospects, and loans. We have 3 different pipelines. That's how we organize our transaction. We all know what is leads, right? A lead is just name and phone number. A lead have name and email, right? It could just a lead. It's not important. But if the borrower fill out the application, we move them to prospect. So prospect is the same thing as application. It's a major milestone that we want our client to do, right? Fill out application. So we manage the prospect pipeline. And when the borrower finishes filling out the application and upload all the documents, we move them into the loan. That means we submit the loan to the lender. It's a separate pipeline. So we have 3 pipelines: leads, prospects, and loans. That's how we manage our transaction. And when the borrower fill out application, we run through the system, we compare the lender, we pick the best lender, and we pick the best rate for the borrower, let's say 6%, with National Mortgage Service. We can create a rate alert. And then we convert it into a loan. When we convert it into a loan, what happens is we already create rate alert. We know the lender name. We tell the borrower, we tell the processor if we want to submit it to the wholesale or correspondent channel. What lender? Is it borrower pay or lender pay? How much is the compensation that you want to make? So you give the borrower, the processor those instructions. They will submit to the lender for you. You will also call the borrower and tell them, hey, borrower, thank you for filling out the application and all the documents. I have reviewed your loan and documents. Everything look good. I'm submitting your loan to the lender right now. The lender will approve your loan within a day or 2. And when lender approve the loan, they will come back with more conditions. That means they want more documents from you. If you can provide everything that they ask for, then the loan can be closed. Otherwise, we cannot close the loan. So when the lender approves the loan and come up with more conditions, then my processor will reach out to you and work with you. So you gotta introduce the borrower with your processor so that they can take care of the condition for you. And you will also say this, I create a rate alert for you. The rate alert will email you every morning around 9 a.m. So please check your email every day. And if you like the rate, you can tell me, I can lock the rate for you. But if you don't like the rate, we'll be waiting But we cannot wait too long because this is a purchase. We should lock within 2 weeks. So that's how you tell your borrower what's going on. You tell them the process. And because they understand the process and they do most of the work, and the processor do most of the work, that's why they like you. They are in control, they do most of the work, and therefore they will never blame you. If something go wrong, it's easy to blame the lender, right? You explain everything to the borrower. You are just their assistant. You're helping them. The lender is not us. The lender is the lender. They make the decision. If they don't approve, that's their problem. It's none of us problem. So, and you can see that you do very little in the middle. The borrower and the processor do most of the work. And that's why it's beautiful for a loan officer like you. You do little thing. And there's no reason why they blame you or give you a hard time. And this is exactly the reason why I am able to close 138 loans last month, even though I spend very little time helping my client. But they do everything themselves. And my assistant helping them too. Of course, I have 10 loan officers help me as well, because they have to be licensed, they have to talk to the client, they have to quote rate to the client and explain the fee to the clients. But the goal here is rely on the system, make the process so easy, so simple, so that your borrower love it, so that you work less, so that your processor can help you. And that is our system. That is our process. You do very little. You don't even have to worry about the loan or the processor. The processor handle everything. They take care of the VOE, the condo questionnaire, the insurance, everything. And they will also call you. They will go over the condition with you, just to make sure that you're aware of what's going on. And if they cannot clear the condition within, let's say, a week, they will reach out to you and escalate to you to see how we can solve it. But they also escalate to their manager, and their manager can help them clear the condition. So we have a different layer to help make sure we can close the loan early in the process. So now let me take a break and ask you a question and listen to your question. Hey, Kevin.
Yeah, could you help me understand the difference between the retail, the wholesale channel and correspondent channel?
Yeah, it's really simple. I think most of us understand the wholesale channel, right? Which is we are a broker. We are a middle person. We find a lender for our borrower and submit the loan to that lender. Okay, so that is the broker model. I think all of us know that model. But we are also a non-delegated correspondent. We are a lender. We fund the loan ourselves under our own name. And we turn around and sell that quickly to the investor. And because we are a lender, we have more power. We fund the loan under our name, so we have more power. Because we are a lender, we can charge the borrower any fees we want to, like processing fee. And we can adjust our compensation wherever we want. We don't have to disclose that to the borrower. Unlike the broker model, we cannot charge them the in-house processing fee. By the way, we have third-party processor in the company. You can choose the third-party processor if you want to. So you can choose to work with a third-party processor, like right here, but they charge you more. And third-party processor, we can always charge the borrower, pass that to the borrower. But I recommend to use our in-house processor because we have great process in place. They have manager to help them. We know how to, and we can send a loan to any lenders. If you work with a third-party processor, they might not familiar with some new lender. They never work with any new lender, and that means it's not good. So with when you send loan to the correspondent channel, we can do no point, no cost refinance easier. Because for broker, this is difficult. Because refinance, you have to normally you cannot charge 2.5% comp. You have to lower your comp. That means you have to switch to borrow pay and lower your compensation. And when you do that, because borrow have to pay us. That means that we cannot offer them no point, no cost loan. It's getting complicated. So when you have to deal like this, we can explain and help you. But it's always better to send your loan to the correspondent channel.
I was wondering, like, is it more competitive, but also like in terms of like closing the loan, we have more control over.
Yeah, you can say that. Only if let me share with you, Loan Factory, we do have a plan to be a direct lender. We want to be a lender ourselves, just like Rocket or European. And that is our goal. And when that happens, for sure, our pricing is going to be much better. And we can process the loan a lot faster because we control everything. And we can capture the income and the expense from the lender right now. So our pricing is going to be way better. So that is the future. That is the future. Thank you, Kevin. Hey, Joe. Hello, Joe.
Hi, how are you? You
Good,
mentioned
good.
earlier that we could run AUS ourselves. Do we run that through proprietary through Loan Factory, or do we run it through each different investor once we select them?
Loan Factory. We are approved by Fannie Freddie so that we can run AUS. So for example, here, you can see AUS here, and we have one-click AUS.
Okay, and to run AUS, we would need credit, obviously. So
Yes.
what credit system is used, and at what point is that done? Is that also through Loan Factory?
Yes. We use Advantage Credit,
Mhm.
but we also integrating with sectors. We negotiate with them, so we pay only around $86 per trimer's credit report. Very cheap.
And do we each get accounts individually set up for,
Yes.
say, doing soft pulls or things of that nature? Or is there
Yes.
a portal for the consumer to go and pay for it themselves?
Yes, you have everything.
Okay.
You have your own website where the client can fill out application and they can pay for it. This is optional for you. You can turn on and you can say, I want my borrower to pay for the credit report. Then when they fill out application, they can click and pay for it and pull credit report. You don't have to do anything. Or you can turn it off and the borrower doesn't have to pay. You then will go in and have to order and pay for it yourself. So
But
it's
then
up
I
to
could
you.
charge it on the settlement statement, correct?
Yes, yes, you can do all of that. Soft pull, hard pull, you can have all kind of options. You can have your own link. You send it to them as well, so that we offer everything.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jay Payton. Hi, Jay.
Hi, yes. So my question is, you had mentioned earlier that you were running a little behind. So what approximately are the turn times right now? Well, like what are your closing times approximately?
The turnaround is still fast. Basically, the processor, they must touch your loan every day. They must work on your loan every day. The only thing slowing down is the submission. They have 6 hours to submit. That means 6 hours is the maximum time. Cannot be more than that. So normally it's faster. And we are all we are also working on AI. So we hope that in about a month, our AI can help with submission and issue disclosure automatically. And hopefully in 3 to 6 months, we can automate processing. So we are a fintech company. So our goal is to rely on technology to get things done faster and more efficient.
Okay, so are you closing within 30 days or outside of 30 days?
It's up to you to decide on that.
Okay.
You own the loan, you control that. You decide when you want to lock, when you want to close. It's up to you.
Okay. I have one other question. As far as the rates, if you lock in the rate, are you able to float the rate down? Okay.
Most lenders don't allow that.
Mhm.
Some lenders allow you to float down as a cost of 50 basis point. So normally, this is my policy. When rate drop, if it drops so little, there's nothing we can do, right? But if it drop quite a lot, then what I would do is I cancel the loan, submit it to the new lender.
Okay, I got it.
And we
Thank
support that. We support that.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Our goal, as a broker, our goal is to help our clients. We will do everything possible to help them. And we don't want to lose clients. We want them to be happy with us and not going with someone else, right? So we are here to help you and your clients. Thank you. Your name is Jessica, my guess, Jessica J.
Jacqueline.
Jacqueline. Okay, I'm sorry. Hey, Joe. Hello, Joe. Hey, Joe. I cannot hear you.
Sorry about that. When I was speaking with Brian Suarez last week, I believe he said there were a couple of investors who process themselves without a cost, Rocket Pro being one of them. Is that accurate?
No.
Okay.
There's some lender, they process the loan for us. That means you don't have to pay the processing fee. But then those are more like product specific, like equity line of credit, reverse mortgage.
Okay.
It's special type of loan, not conventional FHA or VA.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So here's our pipeline. It's the lead pipeline where you work on lead. You can create a follow-up plan and you can check to see when you should follow up. We have call, text, and email button where you can click on there and you can call. This is the station server, so different. We have a prospect pipeline, which is you can see all your prospect. You break down by refinance or purchase or pre-approval, the status, what you can do with it. It's very alert here. So, and then you can go to the loans pipeline as well, where you can see all your loans. You can see all the note by the processor. You can write out a message and you can save an email. You can email your loan officer, your mentor, your assistant, the agent, the closing agent, compliant. You can email anyone if you want. It's optional. So normally, you should also download a mobile app. Our mobile app available to everyone, but for loan officer like you will love it because you can travel the world and you can use it. That's all you need, a mobile phone. You can communicate with client and the client can use a mobile app to get a mortgage too. That's how powerful we are. We changed how mortgage is being done. The borrower can use the mobile app to fill the check rate, to fill out application, to upload documents, and to communicate with you and the processor. So the two most important actions the borrower want to do, they can do it. And that's all they can do. That's all they want to do. They don't want to do anything else, right? The borrower want to check rate, apply, upload documents, and communicate with you and the processor, everything. So we have the mobile app for our clients. And you can utilize the mobile app. You can share a mobile app with anyone. When they download and install it, they are your client. They work with you. And same thing with the realtor. Realtor can download the app and work with you. They send you the lead. Both of you can see that lead, can see the status, can see what's going on. So it's really powerful mobile app that we have. I don't think any other company has this mobile app. Hi, AW.
Yes, two-part question, Tuan. So I'm licensed in the state of Texas, but if I want to do a loan in California, do I have to be W-2? Is that loan factory requirement? Is that California requirement? Or is that an NMLS requirement?
It's more like a combination, but more like a California requirement. So California have two types of license, DRE and DFPI. If you have the DRE license, you can be 1099. If you have the DFPI license, then you have to be W-2.
Okay. Second part question. You said loan factory also offers free leads. So the commission in that for the loan officers is 25 or 250? What did I hear?
Okay, here is what you can see here is the lead right here. So you can turn on, I want to receive company lead. I want to see Facebook lead. I want to receive Equifactory lead. So this is our lead. And when you turn it on, let me try to get it. Let me see. You can choose to receive free lead or pay lead. So if you receive free lead, we will split 50-50 on the commission.
Okay.
Yeah, we have all kind of lead, Facebook lead, Equifactory lead, Rocket lead, and company lead.
You said something about 25 bips. I don't know what that was about.
That is the company lead. The company lead, I explained earlier, the borrower go to loanfactory.com and fill out application. And Loan Factory, we want to give you the lead. So if you are good, if you're not a bad loan officer, we will send you the lead. Normally how we send it, we send it to a mobile app. And whoever accepts the lead first, you get the lead. And we pay only 25 bps because the chance that you close is very high. And you do very little. And you own that lead, you own that client. You have that relationship with the client for future business.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Amy. Hello, Amy.
Okay, hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh God, I can't remember when I put it in there. Okay, so I'm a broker, and so when I fill out the application, are you saying that any state that's mandatory for DFPI, I must sign up that way, and then in any other states, then I sign up as a broker?
No. I think you're confused.
I
The way
am.
you act. Very
Sorry.
confused. Are you a loan officer or a broker right now?
I am a broker. Some of my licenses in different states are DRE or DFPI. So then when I go to the application and fill it out, is it in those
So-
states that you quoted, do I need to be DFPI?
First of all, we are not a direct lender.
Right.
You, as a broker, you work with us as a loan officer, not as a broker.
Okay.
So when you join Loan Factory, you are a loan officer at Loan Factory, not a broker.
Okay. So then that's so in all the states, I just sign up as a broker and not DFPI.
I think you're confused.
I
It's really
am.
difficult for me to explain.
Okay.
But you join Loan Factory as a loan officer, not a broker.
And someone will help me
Yes,
with that?
thank you.
Okay, love. I'm sorry.
Thank
It's
you,
just
Amy.
confusing.
Yeah, someone will reach out to you and help you. And if they
Okay.
don't answer, if they cannot answer, then ask them to escalate further. Thank you, Amy.
Oh,
Hello, hi,
thank-
Joe. Hi, Joe.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
I got a question. I'm licensed in a few different states. Texas is one of them. And, you know, as doing a cash out refi on the smaller loans get tough in Texas, right? So question is, you have the non-Dell relationship that we can leverage that out there. And the question I would have, can we charge on the front as well as on the non-Dell correspondent, get comp on both sides of the fence there?
Well, we don't allow that. We want to cap the commission at 2.5%.
Okay,
And we also have a minimum and maximum comp.
okay,
But for a smaller loan, we always make at least 2,500. That is the minimum.
okay,
And Loan Factory, we have a policy. If the commission is too low, we will split the commission with you.
50-50
Let's say-
is what I saw, right? That's
If it's
correct.
only $1,000, we each make 500.
And then on the licensing in multi-states on there is the states that require W-2, you got to follow their licensing. California is DRE and DFPI. I'm licensed as a DRE in California, and then I'm licensed in Texas, Florida, and Alabama, which all of those can also be 1099 where I don't need
Correct.
W-2. Okay.
Correct.
And, all right. That
Thank you.
answered my questions. Thank you.
Thank you. So let me continue with all of these features. I show you the rate alert, commission. You go here, you see all your commission. If you close the loan, you can go here and request a commission. Ticket, you can create ticket for any department to help you. You can work with your referral partners, your agent, and you can track the referral back and forth. You can have a wallet. We will initially allow you to spend you can put some money from your commission in here, and we might allow you to spend money on some eligible expense. We still need to finalize it. Loan Factory IQ. If you heard about HomeBot or My Home IQ, you heard about this, right?
Yeah.
And this is exactly like that, or it is better as well, because our Loan Factory IQ is easier to use. We have AI to help you import the list of clients, and it integrates with your LOS. It will know who are your clients, and we will automatically send out the report to your clients. So for example, this borrower, he has 5 property. You can click here to see the report. The borrower can do the same. The homeowner can do the same. So this is really cool. And it's better because we have the rate alert right here. We tell them if they should refinance or not. We tell them if they should refinance or not. Just 1 second. So this one, you can use you can use for free. 1 second. You can use this Loan Factory IQ for free, and this is the best tool to keep you stay on top of mind. Your past client will receive this report every month, and they love you because you send them something useful. They love it, and that means they always see you every month. And in the future, if they or their family or children need to buy a house, need a mortgage, they will call you first. Or if they need to refinance, the system tell them, hey, it's time to refinance. It's really cool, and it's free. Better yet, you can share this to your realtor, and your realtor can use it. And you will be showing up like on the top here as a co-branded. So this one can cost you $150 a month, and we have it for you for free. It's free. On marketing fee, hi Joe.
Yeah, I'm just letting you know that your screen popped off. We're not seeing the other screen right now.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me share that again. Here is the main feature here. We have the ticket, right? You can create a ticket. Here's commission. You can create a commission. Here is the referral partners. You can work with referral partner to build up a database of referral partner. We have digital wallet. We have Loan Factory IQ, which is the same as My Home IQ or HomeBuy, where you can import homeowner, you can add manually, you can see how many homeowners you have. They will receive the monthly report every month. And you say this borrower have this many report. And here is the report of the house with the estimated home value, the picture, the equity in the house, the cash out, if they want, they can cash out this much. This is what they are paying right now. And if they pay more, how soon they can they will pay off the loan, how much they can save. If they choose to refinance, they can get this rate. If they buy another house, how much they can afford and qualify. And this is the credit score right here. Okay. So there's a lot that we offer, and this is free for you and for your realtor. And if you have the realtor send out to their client, you will be shown on top. It's a co-branded. You and the realtor will be shown on top and bottom of the report. Hello, Brian.
Hey, you mentioned co-branding, and I know you have a mobile app. Can you co-brand your mobile app like Simple Nexus with your mobile app?
Our mobile app is better, but the thing is, you mean you want to co-brand with the realtor?
Well, yeah. Well, with the reason why I was asking, because sometimes with those mobile apps, you can co-brand with the realtor, where the realtor gets their own like application link, so you know where the lead is coming from, and they can do a pre-approval letter in the app and all that, and a realtor portal. I've never heard you talk about a realtor
We
portal.
have that. We have that. Our mobile app, you can work with the realtor. They have their own account. They can log in. They can share the clients with you. They can see the pre-approved letter. They can download the pre-approved letter. Everything.
Okay. You just can't co-brand. You just can't co-brand it like Simple Nexus, correct?
What exactly will you mean co-brand? Because you and the realtor can use it, and the client can see both of you.
Okay. Well, I mean, as long as they can see both of you, because with Simple Nexus, when you co-brand, when you give the customer the app, you give the app to the real estate agent, and when they share it, it's both of you on there.
Yeah, that's
okay.
exactly what it is. Yes.
All right. I just never seen it. I've heard about it, but I just never seen the co-branded or the mobile app.
Yeah, that the word exactly. That's what it is.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me go back here to share with you more. Marketing feature is really cool. We have Facebook ads right here. If you want to run Facebook ads, you can run it here. What you do is you click here. It takes you less than a minute. Okay, less than a minute, literally. You go here, you select a template. Actually, before that, you will decide if you want to receive lead or website traffic. Let me see. I want to improve this. So you can choose to get lead or you can choose to generate traffic. And after that, you can select one. And after that, you select the ads, which ads you want to promote. You can select by language, loan program. You can customize it. If you don't see your language or anything you want, you can ask marketing team to customize it for you. So all kind of languages. And if you select, let's say you select this, you want to promote refinance, right? You can run that. You can select the budget, $15 a day, and you run it for a month. And you select the state, you select the language, and who is the target audience. You can also check the box here so that the system will notify you, send you a message when you have a new lead. And you submit it, and that's it, done. Less than a minute. You can run ads, and our loan officer who run ads, they report that it costs around $4 to $5 per lead. So you can get lead from Facebook ads. You can run your own Facebook ads. Hi, Brian. Hello, Brian.
I never forgot. I forgot to put my hand down. I'm good.
Okay, thank you. Hi, AW.
Yes, so this is interesting. So when we run an ad from within the Loan Factory, is it going to my ad account on Meta or is it going to Loan Factory ad account?
Your ads account on Meta.
It's going to my account on Meta.
Yes,
Okay. And
yours.
okay, and the marketing takes care of all the compliance for the ad.
Yes, everything. We've done everything for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You can also have your Google review profile. We help you create a Google business profile with Google. You own it. And our processor will help get in a review, 5-star review for you on every loan. Because Loan Factory will give them a bonus if they get 5-star review for you. So that is the reason why our loan officer have a lot of review. And these are the best review because it's from Google, not from some weird company. And then you'll be able to ask your past client or new client to give you reviews. You can build up your reputation. And you own it. Remember that you own it, not company, not Loan Factory. That means a year or 2 years from now, if you don't want to work with Loan Factory anymore, you can leave Loan Factory and bring the Google review with you. You own it, and we help you with that. Okay?
I had another question on Google Ads.
Yes.
So I actually run a marketing agency. In fact, just today for the Southern California client that I have, we generated about $84,000 worth of leads today using organic and paid. And we find that Google gets us much better quality lead as opposed to Meta. Do you also do Google Ads?
Yes. Yes. And we can help you run Google Ads too, if you want to.
Oh, perfect. Because I do that with my clients anyways, and we get much better response with Google Ads versus a lot of tire kickers on Meta.
Yeah, we also see the same thing. we also see Google has better quality than Facebook leads.
What's the cost of leads getting for Google?
All kind of lead. We run all kind of ad share. As a company, we also bring a lot of traffic to our website, and we also try to build our brand.
Okay.
So all kind of thing going on.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Email. You know, it's when you most loan officer they don't run ads. They don't know about branding, but those are so important. And the more the higher up you are, when you become better, you focus more on marketing, on branding, on reputation. And that's why everything we do here is about that. You know, we try to collect a lot of reviews. We're trying to build trust. We're trying to build brand name. We try to impress client. You know, all of these are so important. But most loan officers don't even recognize that or don't know how to do it. And we are here to help you. And I don't know why some loan officer out there try to build your own brand name. That is almost impossible because you have nothing to build. What good can you do? I mean, how can you build your personal branding? It's so difficult, very difficult. And that's why what we see is we can do it together, that we help each other. It's always better to do it together. So marketing materials, we have tons of marketing material in different languages. So let me delete that language, and you can see we have thousands of marketing material. We have it for you, and all you need to do is click generate. It will generate it for you with your personal information. We have thousands of them, and you can filter. You can all of these ready to go. All you need to do is go in and click generate. And you can also request a customized image if you want to. Our marketing team will help you with that. So I have thousands of it. Look how many we have. Thousands of it. And it is also, you can narrow down by daily rate. You can promote the rate today. You can promote neat and fair review. Let's say you get 5-star review, you can promote it. My internet is really slow. That's why it's loading. And these pages are heavy, that's why. So you can click on here and it download the image. And here's the image. You can post it really quick, really easy. If you have review, you can click generate and you can pick one and generate it for you. You can, let's say you close the loan fast, you can also generate image and promote it. So there's so much that we can do for you.
Can those
Even
images be co-branded with the agent when you post those, like the when you close fast?
yes, some of it. Let me share with you.
Okay.
Yeah. See, if you can generate the review of fast to close loan. And for here, you can do a loan officer and realtor co-branded here. And if you want to come up with your own design, you can work with our marketing team. They can help you create more. Everything, remember, you don't have to pay any marketing agency or any assistant. We have the staff, we do this for you because we want to help you. We have email drip campaign where you can drip your clients or targeted clients. I do holiday here or referral realtor. I do follow-up campaign like anniversary. I drip my leads and prospect. So yeah, you can create your own email drip campaign. You can also have mailing list. Hey, AW,
Yes, Tuan, this is really exciting. And I want to, this might be an offline question that I will take up with you. I am also a realtor in the state of Texas, getting it in California. I'm also a FINRA certified series holder come 2026. So I see finance. Finance is what I'm focused on. This is how I got into commercial finance. How do I get to reach you to have to bounce some ideas to see how we can collaborate?
can you say the last sentence again?
How do I reach you to run some ideas to see how I can collaborate with you with Loan Factory?
Sure. I will, in the chat box, I just type in my email. Please email me if you have any question. We can chat over the weekend.
Perfect. I will do that. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we are building a portal for our real estate division. We are building a portal for our lender. We prepare to become a lender. So we're building a lot of crazy things. And so mailing list here, you can send out an email to 500 people in less than 30 seconds. Right here, I go to K-Show, I have these contacts. Sometimes I have 30,000 contacts. I can click on it and I can send them an email or I can text them. I do, you can create lead funnel in 30 seconds. You can create a lead funnel, customize. You can have widget if you want to. You can have your own subscription and newsletter. You can, let me see what else, open house event. You can create an open house event with your own customized URL and flyers. And you can gather the registration. This is someone playing around with it. Yeah, and then you can email them. You can capture this lead. I'm gonna try to improve this even more and put them in the drip campaign. So if you do an open house for the realtor, you collect, let's say 15 lead, and they can go to your lead automatically and you can drip them. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's same thing at Follow Up Boss. Some feature out there. Basically, any feature you like, you can make it happen because we are a fintech company. What else? We have a lot of setting for you. System preference setting, loan officer important setting, credential setting, marketing setting. We have all kind of customization to help you. Let's see what else. We have AI. If you click on the bottom right corner here, we have AI so that you can ask any question. AI can help you. AI can quote you great. AI can answer any customized question about Loan Factory, about mortgage, about guideline. So you can ask questions. Let me see what else. Yeah. So as a fintech company, we can do things really fast, really good, and we give everything to you for free because we want you to be successful. No other platform, no other company can do like us. You know, the lowest rate guarantee, we guarantee lowest rate or $1,000 back. A lot of crazy things that we do, no other company can do it. So if you have any question, let me know now. Or, you know, you can talk to the onboarding specialist. They can guide you, they can help you. And, you know, with the future of, you know, everything we plan for is we're going to grow really fast. We're going to double the size every year. We're going to become a lender. We're becoming a real estate company in California. And when we become a lender, we will have better rate, better process and technology. We plan to go public. We want to be a public company. We want to be 100 times bigger. And those are our goals. If you see the future in Loan Factory, you should join us. But the bottom line, what is more important is I want you to be a better loan officer. I want you to close a lot of loans. and make sure clients are happy with you. If you are unable to roll your production, you need to think really hard. Something wrong, right? You need to make a big move. Otherwise, you got stuck forever. And remember that we are getting more competitive. There's more loan officers out there with better technology. They are smarter, they're learning, they're improving. And the last 45 days supposed to be very good. Rates are dropping. So if you don't see a significant change in your business, something wrong, seriously. And you need to take bigger action. Otherwise, you will fall behind. So I hope you enjoy my webinar, and keep in touch. You don't have to join Loan Factory if you are not ready. If you don't think that we are a good fit, that's fine. What I want you to do is try to become a better loan officer. Try to grow your production, and you will see. Wherever I advise you, try to use it. It will be good for you. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.